The Blizzard at Santa's Village.
Starring Nolan and Mommy. Narrated by
Elliot Fox.
And Daddy.
And Eddie. Hey, Elliot,
What?
how do you think you're going to like this one?
Not.
Not at all?
I don't know about this one.
Elliot, doing a little dance. Okay, Elliot, watch for Mommy and Nolan. There they are.
It's already swinging. Ellie, you think we would like that feeling?
No.
We didn't even like the farmyard fling.
Nolan is probably not happy.
I don't know if he likes this one or not.
We'll have to ask him after, huh?
I still hear Mommy. Oh, they just went upside down.
Looks like they go upside down for a lot of time.
There's Mommy.
He would not.
I don't think Mommy's happy anymore. She's kind of ducking and covering.
Going upside down.
I don't hear Mommy anymore.
Alright, we'll have to ask him how that was.
You think they liked it, Elliot?
But we
No
would
one says I
probably,
didn't.
we would probably like this middle feeling.